Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about Rolle's theorem.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, y equals a negative x squared plus 36 over an x plus 7, and we need to find the values of c that satisfy Rolle's theorem on our interval from negative 6 to positive 6. Now, this is a rational function, and so it's not continuous when we're dividing by 0. And the only place that happens is negative 7. So we're going through our conditions of Rolle's theorem. And if x is negative 7, we're dividing by 0. We can't do that, but it's outside our interval. Same thing where it's differentiable. Negative 7, sure, outside the interval, we're good. But what about f of negative 6? Is it equal to f of positive 6? And I found these values for you, and f of negative 6 is equal to 0, and f of positive 6 is also equal to 0. So we're good there. Alright, we now need to find our derivative. F prime of x is equal to the derivative of the numerator, which is a negative 2x, times the denominator, x plus 7, minus derivative of the denominator, which is a 1, times the numerator, negative x squared plus 36. All over our denominator, x plus 7 squared. Simplify where we can. F prime of x now is equal to, multiply this out, negative 2x times x is a negative 2x squared, and negative 2x times 7 is a negative 14x. Subtract that by, well, one don't want to really worry about, and let's distribute that minus sign, so we have plus an x squared minus a 36 all over an x plus 7 all squared. Okay, so now let's go simplify what we can in our numerator. Combine our like terms. F prime of x is equal to, well, negative 2x squared plus x squared is a negative x squared. Got that right there. Use them. No other x's, so minus 14x here. And then minus 36 all over our x plus 7 all squared. From there, all right, we need to find where this is equal to 0 to apply Rolle's theorem. There's nowhere else really I can simplify this. Now, to do that, since this is a rational function, we just need to take our numerator and set it equal to 0. Because if the numerator is equal to 0, we're dividing by anything, it's still 0, right? And denominator, if it equals 0, undefined. So we take that negative x squared minus 14x minus 36 and set it equal to 0 there, okay? So with that, now let's use our quadratic formula, okay? We have x equals a negative b, so a negative, our b value is negative 14 here, plus or minus the square root of our negative 14 squared minus 4 times a value, which is negative 1, times c, which is negative 36, all over 2 times a, which is a negative 1. Now, luckily for you, I solved this for you. This simplifies to be a negative 7 plus square root of 13, and a negative 7 minus the square root of 13. Now, negative 7 minus square root of 13 is outside of our interval. We don't use that. So we can only use the c value here, of the x value we found. It's a c value of negative 7 plus square root of 13. And this is the only value of c that satisfies Rolle's theorem of our function. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.